Hello everyone! This video shows a do-it-yourself project with a bicycle hub and plant pot stands. First, you need to measure the diameter of the protrusion on the hub. Use a compass to draw a circle to the measured size. Next, you need to make a hole using a utility knife. Now you need to mark the spots for drilling holes with a marker. Attach the stands to the hub with bolts and nuts, as shown in the video. Repeat all the same steps with the second stand. And this is what we should end up with. Next, we need a 30 cm strip. Measure 5 cm from each side and draw a line. Clamp the strip in a vise and use a hammer to bend it on both sides at a 90-degree angle. On one plate side, drill two 5mm holes. Next, take the perforated plate and lightly countersink 2 holes. Now, you need to attach the previously made bracket to the plate. We ended up with this kind of structure which needs to be painted. With a 4mm drill bit, we make another hole in the stand. You need to screw a handle into the hole or just use a regular bolt if you don't have anything suitable. Next, we need a double outdoor outlet. Disassemble the socket and cut off one side of its mounting, as shown in the video. You need to make 3 more holes in the stand, one with a diameter of 8 and 2 with a diameter of 4. Now take the parts of our socket and use bolts to attach them to the stand. Drill a 10 mm hole in the socket housing. Next, we need a wire with a plug. We thread one end of the wire through the hole and secure it to the bushing using cable ties. To be continued. We strip the insulation from the wire and connect it to the socket. Now the socket can be assembled. First you need to tighten one nut, then the second one, and lock them together. On the other side, you need to put a small bushing on the shaft, then our bracket, and secure it all with a nut. I'll add a handle later. For now, I'll use a hose piece. We ended up with a small and very convenient extension cord like this. I wound 15 meters of 1.5 square millimeter wire onto the reel. Who liked this extension cord idea? Please give this video a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.